time is running out for JASMY coin because in the next couple of hours or days, we could be expecting a massive move for JASMY coin due to the fact that we have spotted this huge consolidation pattern for JASMY coin in the channel for quite some time now, which is this huge symmetrical triangle. We have been forming this for a couple of days now. We have talked about this for quite some time in the channel, and right now JASMY coin is nearing the apex of the symmetrical triangle, which is the point of breakout. And in the next couple of hours or days, we could be seeing a massive move for JASMY coin, and not many people are talking about this, not many people are aware of this, and that is exactly what I'm bringing to you guys in today's video. We'll be discussing the recent price action, what are my current expectations, the levels and targets to look out for, and much more. My current trade setups, we have a lot to discuss in today's video, hence you don't want to miss this update video I have right now for the JASMY coin price. So you guys can see right now I'm in Blofin in the daily time frame charts, and you can see that for the past couple of days JASMY coin has been forming this huge consolidation pattern, which is a symmetrical triangle. And right now you guys can see clearly we are right now located at the apex of the triangle, therefore a breakout is imminent for JASMY coin. But the question is, are you prepared for what's about to come, and are you aware of the levels to look out for? That's what I'm going to be talking about right now in today's video. So yeah, first of all, a symmetrical triangle is a 50-50 pattern, meaning we could either break towards the upside of the triangle or we could break towards the downside of the triangle. And I'm actually prepared for either scenario. If we do see JASMY coin break above this triangle and close the daily candle above this triangle, or preferably above this recent swing high right here, I would be opening a long position over on Blofin. I would open up a long position for JASMY coin and ride this move towards the upside to my target of around 0.033 cents. So keep in mind, this is the target for the symmetrical triangle breakout. If we do see JASMY coin break above the triangle, then we are looking at a potential price target of around 0.033 cents. However, for the bearish scenario, though, if we do see JASMY coin break towards the downside of the triangle, let's say it does something like this and breaks the previous swing low, then that is the signal that we could be seeing JASMY coin move to the target of 0.0118 cents, and I would potentially be opening up a long position, a short position right here again for JASMY coin. So yeah, I'm prepared for either scenario. But if you're asking about my current expectations, which side do I think is more likely for JASMY coin to break out of? Now, in my personal opinion, I believe that it's more likely we're going to be seeing JASMY coin have a break towards the upside of the triangle. Now, why do I think so? I think so because you guys can see that in the daily time frame, JASMY coin has formed potentially this bull pennant as well. You can see that we have the pole right here, and then we have the pennant, and then now this looks like a huge consolidation or a continuational pattern, and now we are ready for the next leg towards the upside. That is what I think is going to happen. I believe that there is a higher likelihood of us breaking towards the upside rather than towards the downside of the triangle. But again, we are open for either scenario. But in my case, I believe it's more probable for us to break to the upside because the trend is your friend. For the past couple of weeks or months, the JASMY coin has been in this strong uptrend. You guys can see a nice pump to the upside, and then we have consolidated for a couple of weeks. And now, in my opinion, I believe a next leg towards the upside is even more likely compared to moving towards the downside because, again, of the overall bullish momentum that we have formed for the JASMY coin price. You can see the strong impulsive move of JASMY coin towards the upside. So why would you be expecting JASMY coin to dump towards the downside? Obviously, that is also a part of our scenario, but in my opinion, I believe that it's more probable to expect JASMY coin to pump towards the upside because of this overall bullish structure we have formed in the daily time frame. Now let us talk about my longer term view for JASMY coin, because I know many of you are excited to hear about my long-term view for JASMY coin, specifically in the weekly time frame. And as you guys can see, in my personal opinion, again, like I have said this many times in my videos now, that the JASMY coin price, in my opinion, actually looks bullish in the longer weekly time frame. You guys can see We have recently broken above a major resistance zone, which is this red zone right here. This, by the way, is an order block, so that just goes to show how critical of a resistance level this is. We have successfully broken above this level right here, and we have even, as a matter of fact, flipped that level to support. You guys can see, as reflected by the bounce right here in the weekly time frame. So the chart is looking bullish in my personal opinion, and in the long term, I am expecting even higher prices for JASMY coin to this next target we have in the channel, which is at around 0.0372 cents. Yeah, that's 0.0372 cents, because that is where this next major resistance zone is located at. So once we do see JASMY have its next leg up, I'm expecting this target to be met, and we could be facing some sort of resistance right here, potentially a pullback towards the downside before continuing up, because again, this is a resistance zone, and I'm expecting sellers to be present at this vicinity. And I'll just show you the rest of my targets for this bull run. After this level, we have 0.071 cents, and yeah, I'm going to be updating you guys soon for more targets in the channel. And then we have the most ideal target right here, that's at around 0.256 cents. Now I believe that that's a bit optimistic, but again, like I've said, anything is possible in a bull run, and as the bull run comes, I'll be adjusting my targets respectively for JASMY coin. But overall, in general, if you guys would like to hear my overall thoughts in the market, JASMY coin is looking healthy. The structure of the chart is looking bullish, as a matter of fact, because it looks like we are forming this huge bull pennant, and we have consolidated. We're now ready for the next leg towards the upside. So therefore, this looks like a juicy long position right here over on Blofin. I will be opening up possibly a long position for JASMY coin in case we do see an impulsive move towards the upside. So long term looking bullish. In the short term though, in the short term, I'm also leaning more towards the bullish case, but again, just be open to the fact that this is a symmetrical triangle, and there is a chance we could see JASMY coin even break towards the downside. But again, like I've said, in my case, I believe it's more probable that we're going to be seeing a break towards the upside, especially that Bitcoin is now showing signs of strength. So keep a close eye on the charts right now. Also, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth, you can no longer do this alone. You can no longer be a lone wolf. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, with information, insider information, with the latest updates in the market, with insights. You cannot do this all by yourself. You need people. And that is where my private networking group comes in. It is on Discord. All we do is provide value. I release weekly market insights and updates, and that is why our members are growing steadily every single day, and we retain them. If you're not a part of this group right here, right now, you are potentially missing out on some of the most important information in the market. But you must act quick, you must act fast, you must act now, because as the bull run comes, this Discord group is going private, 100% private. I will no longer be accepting any members anymore, and if you're not a part of this group right now, you have missed out on some of the most important information in the market, because all we do is exchange value. If you're not a part of this group, you are missing out on the important insider information. You should join right now through the link in the description. Join, it's free, it's completely free. Join before we close the server and keep it private. Join now.